Video critique, I'm going to go ahead and start with the first video, The Science of Teaching and Effective Education. I thought it was interesting that they said that the secret to a great school or an environment was amazing teachers, which is kind of an obvious answer, but they kind of went deeper into that. They said that teachers need to have a deep understanding for the content area and being able to explain it in simple ways, which relates back to that scholar academic ideology that the curriculum goes to specific content areas and how those teachers need to have a deep understanding in that area. But I thought it was interesting that it said that they need to be able to explain it in simple ways for our students. Sometimes the material is pretty difficult, and then you have to be able to explain it to your students in a way that will help them to remember what they are trying to be learning. Also, teachers need to have high expectations and teach them how to learn for themselves, which I thought was cool. Also, I agreed with the fact that teachers best learn in the field. I love that when I was becoming a teacher, we got to do many field-based learning situations where we got to learn and get feedback, actually teaching and, tutoring and learning in the field. So that was awesome. The second video I liked, learning with passion and enthusiasm. When your brain is excited and active, that's when you learn the most, and so it's really important for you to create a curriculum that will engage students and get them excited to learn the material. For the third video, what will your verse be? It was really cool that he said that words and ideas can change the world. We need to instill in our students that they are capable of anything and that they can change the world. And we need to instill in them that we are members of the human race and we have that passion to change the world. That quote, the powerful play goes on and you can contribute a verse. What will your verse be? Is very powerful and something to think about. For the final two videos, in the Mona Lisa video, they kind of talked about how there's no wrong answer and there's no textbook answer. And I liked how everyone gave kind of a different interpretation of the video or of the picture. And then finally, in the last video, you need to teach to your audience. That's kind of what I took away from that video. And kind of make sure that everyone is participating and you kind of know the situation that's going on, and you need to create a curriculum that best meets your students. So that is my chapter 1 video critique.